Closed-toed shoes are to be worn in the cutting and industrial machine areas of the lab. Eye protection must be worn at an industrial sewing machine if you have just changed the needle or if you have just changed out the bobbin. Once you have made the first few stitches and are certain everything is seated in the machine correctly and securely, then you may take off the eye protection. Please make sure to note the safety procedures posted at each station. If there is a red bar at the top, this machine is not available to use without prior training and AIBI staff present. If something breaks or won't work right, stop using the machine and clearly place the emergency tent on top. Let the monitor on duty or other AIBI staff know that something has gone wrong. The buttonhole machine is very different from industrial machines you may have seen before. This one is automatic, and once the settings are adjusted, will automatically stitch the entire buttonhole with one press of the foot pedal. It does have some familiar parts, however. Thread stand, tension dials, presser foot, needle, and the bobbin is inserted into the front. The pedals are a little different on this one. The pedal to lift the presser foot is on the left, and the pedal to start the stitching process is on the right. All you need is one firm push to start the automated stitching. Also, the needle is threaded the opposite way from most other machines. The thread is brought from the back to the front. A blade is often added to automatically cut the buttonhole open, but we leave it off in case of mistakes. To thread the buttonhole machine, bring the thread from the thread stand through two thread guides, and then through the first tension dial. Then bring the thread through two more thread guides, and then around the second tension dial. Hook the thread over the spring, then bring it down under the lever and up through the next thread guide. Take the thread through the take-up lever and down through three more thread guides to the needle. When you thread the needle, make sure to bring the thread from back to front. I find that this machine prefers to have the end of the thread brought under the presser foot towards you before starting the automatic process. After the first buttonhole, a lever will automatically catch and cut the end of the thread for you. When you're done, make a test buttonhole on a scrap of fabric to make sure that everything is looking good.